What Makes a Good Abstract Painting by Doris Charest. This is challenging because abstract painting is challenging and practice is really important. Whatever you want to say as an abstract artist needs to be very clear. So get to know your tools so you can use them really well and get to know the basic design elements really well first. Now, what are they? The basic design elements are color. Color helps establish a mood for your composition to portray light, depth, point of view. Get to know your color wheel and color combining. Line helps direct the eye towards a certain point in your composition. So as an abstract artist, you're incorporating line everywhere. Line creates texture, it creates patterns. Value is the lightness and darkness of a color. Every abstract painting has light areas, dark areas, and variations in color. Variations in color really help create a great abstract. Space. Negative space is the space around shape. Positive space is the space that your subject matter takes up. Get to know what that is and learn to play with negative and positive space. Shapes are important. There's organic shapes, geometric shapes. There are also abstract shapes. Form is the way the shape occupies that space, and that's really important in any abstract painting. Texture is important because it creates visual interest, and this really adds to the sensory experience to your abstract. And the sensory experience is really important. A good grasp of design elements allows you to more easily show what you're trying to say and show the emotion that you're trying to create. Your goal as an abstract artist is to create a feeling or cause a reaction by the viewer. This doesn't have to be a positive feeling. You can cause the viewer to be puzzled or confused. You can create a feeling of turmoil, happiness, anger, or more. You can create any kind of emotion. Don't be afraid to cause intense emotions. Paintings should challenge people, abstract paintings in particular. Paintings are meant to cause people to react emotionally. If you do this, you will have achieved your goal as an abstract artist. A good abstract painting expresses what you were feeling, and the viewer can feel it or see it. So if you're feeling really excited, you choose the right colors that go with that. You choose the right shapes, you choose the right lines, you choose the right textures, and they will see what you're trying to express. So that's the goal of an abstract painting. This is Doris Charest, and we'll see you in the next video.